Welcome to today's video, where we take a look at some shocking crashes, some idiots behind the wheel, and incredible moments of instant karma on the roads. Prepare yourself for some of these as it gets wild. When turning from the wrong lane, you would think they would at least check their mirrors, but nope.
Following breaking news right now, we will get back to Good Morning America, but right now we need to show you a chase that is underway. The car that you see speeding is on I-95 southbound. We know it's going through Hollywood, and it just, wow.
Just a terrifying crash.
Showing off goes wrong. When the navigation said to make a sharp turn, this driver took it too seriously.
What the fuck? Hey Siri, call 911.
Remember, only drive at speeds you can handle. This driver got a bit too big for his boots, and the biker had to pay for that.
Ten Hag to back up why he should be playing more for Manchester United, and he said that he could leave the club if he isn't given the game time that he feels he deserves.
I've had 3.5 years as captain. I've been there, this is my 5th season, and ever since I stepped through the door, I wanted the club to be a success, and that's...
Extremely stupid driver overtakes on a bend, but luckily the biker noticed it and possibly saved his own life. Did he lose control or really want to make that turn? Pickup truck driver didn't want to wait an extra 10 seconds and was willing to put lives in danger for it.
Tia was headed to her mother-in-law's house on her day off. After waiting patiently for a traffic light to turn green, she proceeded with her left turn, only to be blindsided by a speeding SUV from her left. The Infiniti SUV flew through a red light and T-boned Tia's Jetta, destroying it in the impact. Witnesses claimed the SUV driver never applied the brakes, but that isn't visible in the dashcam video. After the Jetta was totaled, Tia replaced her VW with a cloud blue-wrapped Tesla Model Y named Cindy. She told us her whole family watches our videos, and thanks to us, most of them have dash cams.
Girlfriend wanted a cute video, but boyfriend didn't know how to ride. Neither of them wearing helmets, too.
Oh my god, don't let somebody walk. Oh, this never works. Oh, sorry, I'm on the inside lane, and the person in front of me is letting the car turn left in front of us. So now, here we go. Boom. Yeah, there's an accident. Like, yeah.
Famous streamer films himself in a car with a reckless driver. They end up hitting a car and driving away while live streaming everything to thousands of viewers.
Please. I'm gonna jump out. Squeeze! Please, bro. Squeeze! Enough! Come on, bro. Please, dude. No. The cop's right there. Oh my god, he almost crashed. Chill, stop. you're tripping. Squeeze. Squeeze, it's a cop. That's a cop. Squeeze, it's a cop. It's a cop, you're tripping. Squeeze. I'm gonna get banned on kick. Squeeze, I'm gonna get banned on kick. Squeeze. Squeeze. Squeeze, I'm gonna get banned on kick, dude. Yeah! Alright, we're good, we're good. Calm. Oh my god! Oh my fuck! Oh, what the fuck? What the fuck?
Oh shit. Everything is 100%.
Getting fucked by another guy!
Instant karma strikes again. That's one way to do it, I guess.
Oh my gosh. What?
Oh my goodness gracious.
Disrespectful, entitled man gets served with instant karma by the drive-thru worker.